Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly predictions from 14th December 2020 to 20th December 2020. My all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign, nothing to do with your sun sign or zodiac sign. Just follow ascendant sign, keep ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will get 90% accurate prediction according to transit. I don't know which type of planets you have, which type of Mahadasha you have in your birth chart, but my predictions are based on the movement of the planet in transit. So let's start for the Aries ascendants from 14th December 2020 to 20th December 2020. This whole week, Aries, you will enjoy a lot of monetary gains. Planets is in your favor. Some unexpected money will make you happy. You are feeling very comfort at your workplace. If you are in job, your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. If you are in business, your business will get promoted automatically. Mouth to mouth publicity will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a lot of health, good health and wealth. Your savings will rise. Unexpected some short distance journeys will make you happy. You will earn a lot of money from there. But you need to be careful while driving because Venus is in your 8th house. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Give some respect to your spouse. Give some respect to opposite gender at your home. That may be your wife, that may be your mother, or that may be your sister. Aries, you will be sky high and top. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your mind will be fresh and you will enjoy a lot of good events. But you need to be careful while driving. You need to be careful about your health. Don't try to overeat. Try to stop eating junk food or oily food in this week from 14th December to 20th December. Otherwise, your stomach related problem will irritate you, your skin related trouble will irritate you. If you give respect to your spouse, if you give respect to opposite gender, if you give respect to any woman, if you are man, you will definitely earn very good money from your workplace. This whole week brings a lot of monetary gains, name, fame, success, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus. Taurus, you will get promoted from 14th December to 20th December. Your salary will rise. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy very good moments at your workplace. Some type of good event will happen which you never expected from your workplace. If you are in job, you are very satisfied, your seniors are very satisfied, your targets are fulfilled, you will earn heaven of money, you will earn big amount of money, your savings will rise, and there is a strong chances to investing your money in stock market because Jupiter aspecting is on your 5th house, Venus transit in your 7th house. This whole week brings a lot of positive events for you, Taurus. You will be sky high and top, your all desires will be fulfilled, your spouse will support you or you are supporting to your spouse. This time, this week, 14th December, to 20th December, Taurus, you will be another height of success. Money matters will be far better. Your savings will rise. Your source of earning will develop. There is a strong chances to new partnership with anyone. That person from opposite gender. If you are woman, you will be in a partnership with any male. If you are male, then you start your partnership with any female. And that will be a very good event for you. Don't miss the opportunity. If you get any type of business proposal, any type of business partnership proposal, don't ignore it because time is very productive for you. Taurus, this whole week brings lot of happiness, peace of mind, relaxation of mind. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will fine, your wealth will fine. You will enjoy a lot of good moment, lot of good happy moment at your workplace. You will be fully satisfied from your performance at workplace. Taurus, you need to be positive. Some unnecessary fear are there. Rahu is in your 1st house. Don't think too much because you are in a very good events of your life very soon. Even time is started. In this week, you will meet some new friends. In this week, your spouse shows some love and affection for you. And your source of earning will develop. You will enjoy a lot of benefits at your workplace. Taurus, polish yourself. Put your 100% effort to your workplace. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants from 14th December to 20th December. You will be far better positioned compared to last few weeks, Gemini. But be careful while talking with your elders. Be careful while talking with your seniors or your loved one. Don't show your ego. If you plan any foreign settlement, this is a very right week. If you try to apply PR, work permit, you will definitely get PR or work permit. Or someone may invite you from foreign land, Gemini. Foreign activities are very promising. Otherwise, you are in a struggling phase. You are already facing struggle. But due to some Venus transit in your 6th house, it will give you some small benefits from foreign land. Some foreign transactions will make you happy if you are importer exporter. If you are student, you are not comfortable, you are not focused on your study, you are getting very disturbed and upset, you are very confused about your education. Gemini, you need to be positive, be humble, and read this mantra, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, 108 time, 151 time, 121 time, 251 time. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants from 14th December to 20th December 2020. This whole week brings a lot of happiness. A lot of good deeds are there. You will enjoy a lot of good moments. There is some happy moment at your home. There is some function or occasion at your home. Cancer, you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your loved life will be excellent. Someone may enter in your life as your loved one, or you may get engaged. Taurus, this time when your good fortune started to smile for you and you will enjoy a lot of benefits. Sorry, this is for Cancer. Cancer, you need to polish yourself, and if you are unemployed, then try to find a job. Fortune is in your favor, you will definitely get job. Your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled in this week related to your work, related to your job, or related to your earning. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. Your old investment will give you fruitful result. Cancer, this is a time when your dreams and desires will be fulfilled related to your work if you put your 100% effort to finding a right job. Now I'm going to talk about Leo from 14th December 2020 to 20th December 2020. Some long distance or short distance journeys are there. There is a strong chances to change your place. Health of your mother will be a matter of concern. Your mind is upset and disturbed. You are not feeling comfortable. You are not feeling healthy life. This whole week from 14th December 2020 to 20th December 2020, you are confused, disturbed and upset. You are not feeling comfortable. Health of your mother will matter of concern. Relationship with your mother will matter of concern. Leo, don't sign any document without read, without advice from any expert. Don't sign any document. Don't start any new business in this week. Don't be a part of any arguments at family. Give some respect to your father and read this mantra, Om Sa Suryaya Namah, Om Sa Suryaya Namah, Om Sa Suryaya Namah, and must take blessings from your father or grandfather's side. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. You will be top, Virgo. From 14th December to 20th December, your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled. Your hard work will convert in sweet success. You will become very passionate about your work. Your old stress will finish. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your strong willpower creates some magic at your workplace. Your courage, your strong willpower will create something new at your workplace. You become very, very creative. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance and your workplace will be ultimate. Virgo, your younger siblings will support you. You may get any good news through communications. If you are IT engineer, if you are any type of technician, then you will get promoted in this week. Your salary will rise. Your old desires will be fulfilled. You will enjoy a lot of comforts and benefits. Virgo, try to do your best. This week will give you very fruitful results related to your source of earning. You will enjoy very good mind. You will enjoy very positive energy from inside. And now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendants. Libra, you need to be careful. Don't get confused and upset. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't trust on anyone. Someone may cheat you. Don't try to put your money in business or any investment related to stock market. Libra, this is not a very well time. Libra, you need to focus on your targets and do your best. This time create some problems and hurdles at your workplace. You may face some challenge, you may face some obstacles, but you have the ability to overcome all these obstacles and challenge. Try to read Goddess Kali Chalisa every night before you sleep. Try to take blessings from your mother side. Try to be in a good relationship with your spouse. Libra, you need to stay strong from inside. God is testing your patience in this week. Do your wonders. I'm praying for your happy life. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio. Scorpio, this whole week you will getting confused and disturbed. Finances will be unstable. You are not enjoying your finance. You are in a deep depression. You will be in a stress. Your main work is in pending. Due to that delay, you are feeling very uncomfort. Money matters will be better, but whatever you expected from yourself, whatever you expected from your performance, you are underperformed. Your seniors are not satisfied this week. You need to do your 1000% best. You need to do your 1000%. You need to put your 1000% efforts at your workplace. Then you feel much relaxed and better. Scorpio, time is in your favor. There is no doubt. But this week creates some problems and hurdles related to your professional life. Your senior expected lots of work from you. Scorpio, Jupiter Saturn is in your third house. Venus is in your first house in this week. Planets is in very good direction. But something is there which is create some hurdles, obstacles, delay at your professional life. Don't get upset or confused. This is only matter of few weeks. You will be sky high in 2021. Must take blessings from your father. Must take blessings from your mother. And always keep smiling on your face. Try to give your 1000% best at your workplace. You will definitely grow beyond your expectations. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius. Sagittarius ascendants this whole week. If you want to switch off your job, there is a strong chances to switch off your job and you will get promoted. Some unexpected money will make you happy, but some expenditures will also disturb you. Your savings and your expenditures will not, you are not able to make the balance between all these. Money matters will be downside, but promotion is there. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will enjoy very good appreciation at your workplace, but you will feel a lot of burden from your senior side. You will feel a lot of headache. You will feel a lot of struggle at your workplace. Overall, Sagittarius, you will be in a far better position. Don't spend your money. Try to save your money. This is very tough week for you. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Don't be a part of any litigation or argument at your family or near and dear. Otherwise, you will involve in any type of legal matters. You will involve any type of police related matter. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorn, you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your husband or your wife will understand you. You are feeling much relaxed and better. You will enjoy a lot of money from multiple sources of earning. Your health will fine and you will enjoy a lot of money from other sources as well. Capricorn, this whole week from 14th December to 20th December 2020, your all pending work will click and you will enjoy a very good time with your spouse. Your health will fine and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Capricorn, this is a time when you need to polish your relationship with your spouse. Put your 100% effort in relationship if you want to be in this relationship. Jupiter is supporting you. Venus is also supporting you. Some new friends enter in your life in this week. Money matters will be far better. You will save very good money. Must wear white topaz. You will be shine in professional front as well as personal front. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Aquarius from 14th December to 20th December, you will invest some new money at stock market or real estate. And this is the right time to invest in your money. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your business will give you very good profits. Your old investment will give you very good profits. You will be on another height of success. Aquarius, you need to do some wonders at your workplace. Don't think negative about your investments because This whole week brings a lot of good returns. Your family will support you, but health of your spouse will be a matter of concern. You need to be careful about your stomach related trouble. Avoid eating oily food or junk food. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Pisces ascendants, this whole week you will be sky high and top. Some new friends will make you happy. You will see a lot of positive colors in your life due to your new friends. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a lot of good health. Your source of earning will develop. And you feel very much relaxed and comfort. Your health will excellent. Pisces, this is a time when your good fortune is in your favor. If you want to do something big, this is the right time. Your loan will click from government. Some big money will knock you. Some unexpected money will knock you. If you are investing your money in stock market, then this is the right time. You will earn a lot of money, a big amount of money you will earn from stock market. Pisces, leave negative energy. Stop thinking negative. Do your best at your workplace. You will get something big from there if you are doing your best. Pisces, this is your time. This whole week brings a lot of opportunities for you. If you are importer exporter, you may get very good foreign transactions. You may get very good order from foreign. If you are any type of constructor, any type of builder material shopkeeper, you will get blessed with a very good amount of money. Pisces, this is your time. If you want to start new business, this is the right time. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future. Enjoy this week with your family and friends. And Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.